Ang fasting, no, intermittent fasting is a eating pattern. So, nag-transition yun ng eating at saka yung fasting, yung hindi kakain. So, ano mga benepisyo niya? Napakadaming benefits nito when you do it properly. So, one of these is, yes, weight loss.
Yes.
Then, yung iba, pagka may mga health condition na a-address, na papababa yung mga problem nila sa health, pati medication, nababawasan when you do the fasting correctly.
Paano po ba yung correct proper fasting?
Okay, if you are starting, no, ngayon nyo lang nalaman na may fasting gagawin niyo. Start lang kung ano yung kaya ng katawan, which is usually minimum sa akin is 12 hours. You can do that 7 p.m. ang dinner, then you can eat your first meal 7 a.m. That's 12 hours fast. Minimum na po iyon. So eventually, mag-a-adapt kayo. Consistently you're doing that, yung 12 hours, mapapansin nyo nag-e-extend na yan. 13, 14. Listen to your body. Hindi porket na sinabi nyo is mag-16 hours fasting ako, pero ang katawan nyo kaya lang hanggang 14, dun lang kayo titigil.